turn it up. Afrobeat. Sun still high, but the party on. Speakers loud, we don't go home. From the street to the festival stage, same energy, different page. Drums hit hard, bass too clean. Whole place jump when the beat come in. From daytime vibes to midnight zone. This sound make the crowd lose control. Hands up high, don't look down. When the drum drop, shake the ground. If you feel it in your chest, that's Afrobeat at its best. Turn up Afrobeat, all the way. We don't stop till the break of day. Jump, move, let your body speak. Turn up Afrobeat, feel the heat. Turn up Afrobeat, no delay. From the front row too far away. When the DJ play that beat, turn up Afrobeat. Yeah, yeah. Move your waist now. Yeah. Lose control now. Yeah. Everybody scream Afrobeat energy. Sweat dripping, lights too bright. Crowd going crazy every night. Different flags, but the vibe the same. One rhythm calling every name. No fear, no holding back. When they kick, drum attack. From Miami Heat to UK raves. This sound make the people misbehave. Jump with me, don't think twice. This moment worth the price. If your heart beat double time, you're ready. Turn up Afrobeat, all the way. We don't stop till the break of day. Jump, move, let your body speak. Turn up Afrobeat, feel the heat. Turn up Afrobeat, no delay. From the front row, too far away. When the DJ play that beat, turn up Afrobeat. Heavy Afro drums, solo, call and response instead. Squall up, big festival star, rebuild. Big festival star, rebuild. From the roots to the future sound, Africa lifting the whole world now. Every culture in the same space, same sweat dripping from every face. This is not music, this a movement. Every jump is a statement. If you hear this, you already know. Afrobeat, ready to explode. Slow it down, feel the bounce. Let the bassline move the crowd. Then we bring it back again, stronger than it's ever been. Turn up Afrobeat, turn it loud. Feel the fire in the crowd. No limit, no retreat. Turn up Afrobeat, turn up Afrobeat. Worldwide, from Africa to oceans wide. When the drum hit, people meet. Turn up Afrobeat. Yeah, turn it up. Afrobeat. Turn it up. From Africa to the world. City never sleep when the bass come alive. Neon lights reflecting in your eyes. From the block to the penthouse view. Same rhythm make me move with you. DJ spin that African sound. Heartbeat match when the drum go pound. Every corner of the globe tonight. We connected by the vibe. No passport, no borderline. Just your body moving with mine. If you feel it, don't fight it now. Let the rhythm show you how. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Feel the fire running through your body. From LA nights to London streets. We don't stop when the rhythm speaks. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Hands up high to the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Oh, 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 let it play. Oh, 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 every day. Oh, oh, feel the drum when Afrobeat call, we come. Summer breeze with ocean sound. Slow wine, let your waist go round. Gold chain shining, skin tone glow. Every move say you already know. No rush, we got all night long. Every step turn into a song. From rooftop parties to big side flames. Same beat, different names. No stress, leave it all behind. This moment frozen in time. If the night don't wanna end, let it spin again and again, yeah. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Feel the fire running through your body. From LA nights to London streets. We don't stop when the rhythm speaks. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Hands up high, feel the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Afro-poking rolling, guitar riff looping, crowd response melody, DJ style drop and rebuild. Look around, we all the same, different stories, same flame. When the drum talk, we listen close. This is the language we chose. From the motherland to the main stage. Oh, so mixed with a new age. Every heartbeat, feel aligned. Africa living in the sun, yeah. Lights low, rhythm slow. Let the groove breathe, let it flow. Just you, me, and the beat. Barefoot dancing in the street. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Feel the fire running through your body. From LA nights to London streets. We don't stop when the rhythm speaks. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Hands up high, feel the frequency. One sound, one love, one destiny. Worldwide Afrobeat energy. Till the sunrise, we still here. Same drum, New Year. City lights reflecting gold. In your eyes a story told. Your shadow dancing on the wall. One look and I start to fall. Heartbeat sinking with the bass. Your rhythm pulling me in place.
No words but you understand. Every touch feels pre-planned. Something burning deep inside. No place left for us to hide.
There's a slow fire in your eyes, burning me without a sign. Every step, no alibi. Got me falling every time. Slow fire burning slow. Every beat tells me so. In your eyes, no disguise. There's a slow fire in your eyes. There's a slow fire in your eyes. Love drum whispering my name. Every drop down sound the same. Your body moving like a wave, pulling me into your space. Sweat and sound the night collide. I don't wanna break this vibe. If loving you is losing control, then I don't wanna save my soul.
Hold me closer, feel the sound. Let the rhythm pin us down. If tomorrow fades away, I still want tonight to stay.
There's a slow fire in your eyes, burning me without a sign. Every step, no alibi. Got me falling every time. Slow fire burning slow. Every beat tells me so. In your eyes, no disguise. There's a slow fire in your eyes. Oh, slow. There's a slow fire in your eyes.
Your fire still remains in my mind every time.
There's a slow fire in your eyes. Na na na. Oh, oh, oh. Na na na. Hey, oh, oh. Hey, na. Oh, oh, oh. Turn the lights up. Oh, oh, oh. Midnight driving through the city glow. Radio low, let the feeling grow. Your silhouette under flashing light. One slow wine change the whole night. Bassline talking drums so clean. Every move looking cinematic scene. From Lagos to London rain. Same desire, different lane. No words, your body speak. Every touch got a frequency. If tomorrow don't exist tonight, let's live everything we like. Late night Afro groove, don't stop now. Slow motion when you break it down. Feel that rhythm in your spine. Late night Afro groove, I'm a late night Afro groove. Hold me close, let the D keep it low and slow. Till the sunrise touch the roof. Late night Afro groove. Feel the motion, deep like the ocean. No emotion wasted, we don't fake it. Sweat on skin, summer heat. Barefoot dancing on concrete. Golden brown under neon signs. This vibe should be a crime. No crowd, just you and me. Lost inside the melody. Every beat say stay right here. Every drum remove the fear. No rush, we got all night. Let the groove control the time. If the world outside too loud, we turn the volume down. Late night Afro groove, don't stop now. Slow motion when you break it down. Feel that rhythm in your spine. Late night Afro groove, over late night Afro groove. Hold me close, let the DJ keep it on slow. Till the sunrise touch the room. Late night Afro groove. Afrobeat bass rolling, beat layering gradually. Guitar riff looping hypnotically. DJ style filter drop rebuilt. Different cities, same desire. Different faces, same fire. When the drums say move your waist, everybody understand that phrase. No language, no explanation, just vibration, communication. If you feel it, you belong. This rhythm is your home. Heartbeat matching the kick drum. Breathing deep, moving slow. Lights fade, bodies close. Only the groove control. Late night Afro groove, turn it loud. Lost together in the crowd. No tomorrow, just a move. Late night Afro groove, late night Afro groove. Feel the flow. From New York nights to Tokyo. When the sunrise way too soon. Late night Afro groove.
From the dust where the story began, heartbeat echo through the land. Old drums talking to the stars. We've been shining even in the dark. They try silence, we reply with sound. Every scar turn power now. From the village to the silver screen, this rhythm bigger than a dream. When the world says stay in line, we move forward out of time. If you feel it in your chest, that's the spirit. Never rest. Rise of the Afro spirit. Hear the drum, don't fear it. From the roofs to the sky we live. Rise of the Afro spirit. Rise of the historic. When the past and future meet, rise of the Afro spirit. Oh, oh, ancestors call. Oh, oh, we stand tall. Oh, oh, feel the flame, Africa, remember the name. Gold in the skin, fire in the tone. Every beat say you're not alone. They hear the sound but don't know why. This music make the soul reply. No crown but we still reign. Turn the pain into champagne. From underground to world premiere. This moment been waiting years. No permission, no delay. It's our time, it's our day. If the ground start to shake, that's the future we await. Rise of the Afro spirit. Hear the drum, don't fear it. From the roofs to the sky we live. Rise of the Afro spirit. Rise of the Afro spirit. Every step is historic. When the past and future meet, rise of the Afro spirit. Hey, oh, oh, ancestors call. Oh, oh, we stand tall. Oh, feel the flame, Africa, remember the name. Oh, ancestors call. Oh, oh, we stand tall. Oh, feel the flame, Africa, remember the name. Gawa drums are hearing, epic choir style pass. Low brasses, the bills like a trailer. Africa never left the room, just waited for the right tune. Now the curtains opening wide, and the world watching from the side. It's not just a song we play, it's a prophecy in sound wave. If you listening, you part of it. Welcome to the rise of it. Just drum, just breathe. Every step feel like death. Eyes closed, feel the cold. Standing tall before the fall. Rise of the Afro spirit. Turn it loud, let them hear it. From the ashes we uplift. Rise of the Afro spirit. Rise of the Afro spirit. Global fire, cinematic. When the drum decide the script. Rise of the Afro spirit. Yeah. The rise, Afro spirit. Driving through the city glow. Windows down, let the feeling flow. Street lights dancing on your skin. Every mile pulling us deeper in. Leather seats, space moving slow. Radio playing something low. From the corner block to skyline view. Same rhythm right to me and you. No rush, no destination. Just vibes and elevation. Tomorrow feel too far, tonight exactly where we are.
Midnight drive with the Afrobeat. Slow wine moving in the passenger seat. City sleeping but we wide awake. Midnight drive, no mistake. Midnight drive, let it play. Same song looping anyway. When the bassline hit that tone. Midnight drive, we gone.
Oh, 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 ride it slow. Oh, oh, let it go. Oh, oh, city lights. Afrobeat all night. Oh, oh, ride it slow. Oh, oh, let it go. Oh, oh, city lights. Afrobeat all night. Dashboard glowing out on cruise. Every breath feeling brand new. No crowd noise, just the sound. Bassline holding us down. From Lagos Roads to LA Lane. London nights, Tokyo rain. Different cities, same control. This rhythm riding in my soul.
No words, just motion. Deep like the ocean. If the night don't wanna end, let the DJ spin again. Midnight drive with the Afrobeat, slow wine moving in the passenger seat. City sleeping but we wide awake. Midnight drive, no mistake. Midnight drive, let it play. Same song looping anyway. When the bass line hit that tone. Midnight drive, we gone.
Minimal percussion, guitar riff echoing, feel the net past breathing. Africa speaking through the night, oh so rapping neon light. This sound don't need no crowd, it hit deep, it's winning loud. Every mile erase the stress, every beat say you blessed. If you lost, don't be afraid, this rhythm guide the way.
Jam, heartbeat match, city blur, moments catch. No past, no future zone, just a night and Afro tone.
Midnight drive, turn it up, feel the bass inside your chest. From the city to the sky, midnight drive.
Midnight drive, worldwide, different roads, same vibe. When the rhythm take control, midnight drive.
Yeah. Got something hit, every smile something slip. Slow steps on the concrete floor, bass knock like a warning call. Eye sharp, energy calm, nighttime inside my palm. No noise, just intention, heavy thoughts, no mention. If the truth too hard to say, let the rhythm lead the way. Shadow move when the lights go low, Afrobeat in a darker tone. No face but the vibes stay true. Shadow move, feel it deep, deep. Slow grind, don't even speak deep. When the bassline touch your soul. Shadow move, low, move silent. Drum talk, no violence. D-way, slow ride. Shadow on my side, low, move silent. Drum talk, no violence. D-way, slow ride. Shadow on my side. Shadow move when the lights go low. Afrobeats in a darker tone. No face but the vibes stay true. Shadow move, feel it deep, deep. Slow grind, don't even speak. When the bassline touch your soul. Shadow move. Deep rolling Afrobeat bass, minimal tribal cash, dark syntax tracks, echoed guitar stairs. Africa talking to the drums, ancient posts where we from. This sound don't beg for light, it shine best in the night. Every scar, every win, written deep under the skin. If you know, then you know, This rhythm speaking go da-da. Heartbeat, baseline, lost sense of space and time. One step, shadows slide, darkness dancing by my side. Shadow move, oh, worldwide, different city, same night. When the rhythm take control. Shadow move, feel the weight. Slow fire, heavy fate. When the drum hit the low tone. Shadow move. Afrobeat, yeah.
Yeah. Under the lights tonight. City glowing on your skin. Neon dreams pulling us in. Music leaking through the street. Every sound feels bittersweet. You don't rush, you take your time. Every move right on the line. I don't talk, I just obey. Let the rhythm lead the way. No wine, no stress, no fear. Everything feels clear right here. If the night don't wanna end, I won't fight it, I pretend. Knocking in my chest, you pull me close, I forget the rest. Sweat drops falling with the beat, barefoot dancing on the street. Eyes locked, nothing fake. Every risk I'm willing to take. If tomorrow never calls, let this